automatically. This is Viru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Let's come to the topic. Here is the data. In this data, we have a student roll numbers and student names, gender of the student, and marks. So when you enter student marks here, so we will get uh, grade points and grade points and total marks and percentage of marks, whether the students failed, pass or failed, and final grade points and final grade. So for better understanding, whatever the formulas we are using in this template, so I already updated here. First we will see, so total marks. Total marks is nothing but we have to use some formula here is equal to sum bracket start. We have to select the range, close the bracket and enter. Same formula. Next, percentage of formula. So we have to use average formula here. Is equal to average bracket start, and we have the total marks. We have to select the total marks and divided by 100 plus center. Percentage marks will come. Next, result. So based on the marks, whether the student is passed or failed, it should come. If the any student not scored more than 35, he failed, or else he passed. The same formula. So with the help of if or function, we came to know whether the student passed or failed. So formula here is equal to if bracket start or. So if the marks in Telugu should greater than 35, the same way all subjects should greater than 35, then only he passed or else failed. See, this is a particular student, he scored less than 35 in one of the subject, that is Hindi, he scored 35. So if it is greater than 35, so automatically this result will be changed. Then final final grade points. Final grade points. Here we have to select the here we have to know, so what is the grade point for the specific subject. So formula, we are using formula like if nested if formula. If the if he scored more than 91, then he will get A1 as a grade. Then if he not scored 81, he will get more than 81, A2. Like this, we have to select the grade. Or if he scored less than 34, he will get D grade. Now let's see. Suppose if he got 33 marks, then his D grade is D, and the grade points is same as like that. If the same person, if he got grade as A1, then he will get 10 marks, 10 points. If he scored A2, he will get 9 points. Same way. So final grade points, we have to know. Final grade points. With the help of average function. So what is the formula here? So in all subjects, if he scored based on all subjects grade points, he will get final grade points. This is the average. That's why we are using average formula here. The same way, average grade, final grade, if he scored, so with the help of if formula, is equal to here is the final grade. He scored 10 marks, 10 points. That's why he got A1. He scored 7. That's why he got B2. So when you enter student marks here, the grade points of the individual subjects and total grade points, final grade point and grade total, and total marks and percentage of marks and the result whether he passed or failed. So we will get automatically. Hope this video will helpful to you. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel Excel Tutorials. Thank you very much.